dry, isn't it? I can't take this seriously. Maybe come in, yeah?
No.
No. Bear chips.
That's right, you shove it right in your mouth.
You never guess what I've got.
What?
Wait a second. Wait a sec.
This is what I prepared earlier.
And this is one I made earlier.
What is it? Oh my god, what is it?
Strip cheese. I mean cheese. Strip cheese. You like that?
No, that is sick.
You like that, do you?
No, I don't.
You like that?
No, I don't like dairy.
Oh. I don't either, but I'm gonna eat it because I'm fat.
That's right, you go
And
back
this
to
is
your
one I
food.
made earlier. This isn't even funny anymore, mate. Do you know why?
It's not funny anymore, you've lost your mojo.
Yeah, baby.
Get your mojo back.
Beth and Chanel.
Shut.
I really care. He thinks I care, but I don't. Nope. Just some toast.
Yeah.
What'd you bet?
Whatever, a bit more chocolatey. Thanks, honey. See, this right here is mine.
And you ain't getting it. Sorry, that's mine.
Why do we always eat when we're together?
I'm gonna get a lick at this one. I'm gonna get your mitts in my oven. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Oh. No, it doesn't.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. You like that?
Do it again.
You like that?
Oh, you're fucking taking it too far now, mate. Oh, you spat on me.